What we're going to do is we're going to talk about planting flowers. We've got a flower bed here that's overgrown from the summer flowers. We pulled those up and weeds are growing. So first off, we're going to talk about what we need. So Haley, if you'll show it here. We've got our flowers, we've got our tiller that we're going to till the site. And then we've got our potting soil that we're going to mix in as we till, and then we're also going to use this as a top dressing. So the first thing we're going to do is pull weeds. Okay, so we've got all the weeds out that we're working on. We're going to get a bag of topsoil and put that in there. And Jason is going with our knife.
No tiller. I got to stand by.
Yeah. All right, so we got everything spread out.
Let's do that.
I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Then what we're going to do is go around and till. We're going to start on the edge and pull back to us. If we went in the middle and pulled out, then it would just make a big mess that we've got to clean up later. So what we're going to do is start on the edge and work our way in. All right, so we got the area tilled. What we're gonna do is level this back out since the new potting soil is mixed in. You can see what Oscar was tilling, it didn't throw a lot out of the bed. So Jason, grab your shovel and come level this stuff out. All right, so one thing we can do is we've got this bag. See how Oscar opened it? He didn't slice it all the way. We can actually reuse this bag the way it's cut. So we'll take all of our weeds and stack in here, and then when we get back to the shop, it's easier to throw away. Okay, so we're setting our flowers out. We've got white, purple, and if you notice, we've got two different colors of yellow, a pastel and then a darker yellow. The biggest thing to remember when we are laying out flowers is that you don't want to do single rows. You want to do, you know, nice burst of color. If you do a single row, then what will happen is if one dies, you lose it. So in this bed, what we're going to do is we're going to do the purple right here in the front, then the yellow, and then the white in the back. So what we'll do is we'll just come right here real quick. We'll just mark the center, and then we're going to do the purple up here. So something like that we'll do with purple. Then we'll come back, do the yellow, and then we'll come back and do the white back here. Kind of like that. When you got them like this, you'll just start here in the middle and just digging the holes and putting the flowers in. The other good thing is if we do it like this, while Oscar's planting the purple, Jason, we've already got it marked out. Jason can go ahead and start on this yellow, and it won't be all on top of each other. Just looking at this, you see how big that is. Maybe we need to make this white a little bit bigger. You know, or we can keep it the same through here. It don't really matter. So Jason, Oscar, if you want to start planting the purple there. Juan, Jacinto, just start purple and yellow there.
It's a white right here.
Yellow.
Yellow?
Uh-huh. Just dig your hole, stick your flower in it. You want to go about a fist to a fist and the thumb apart. And just a random pattern. They don't have to be straight lines or anything, all right? So Oscar, let me see one. We're going to come right here on this line, all right? Yeah, just let me see that whole pack.
I see you there.
We're going to take it. We're going to turn it like that. We're going to pinch the cells. Moment. Take your purple, stick it in there. Boom, press, you're done. Come over somewhere around there. Because you want to do your line first. And then just do like that. And then like 1, 2, 3. Pull it around them, press. All right, so yeah, what we're doing is we're just coming along here. We're not taking the time to line them up because once they fill in, the colors are gonna match together, so there's no need to make them perfectly in line because if one dies, that whole line will be off anyway. So we're going for just random and beautiful. Notice, so as we're planting them, we're keeping all of our trash together on site. We want to make sure that everything stays nice and neat so when our customers see us, everything looks real professional, clean, and we leave the place looking really good. Okay, so we got most of our flowers planted. What we're going to do is take our shovel, go around the edge of the bed, just make sure that everything's staying nice and clean. And then what we're going to do is take our pot and soil and just come back in and fill in between each one of them. All right. Poquito más bajo. Just take your handful.
Okay.
And you just want to fill it in between the flowers. Alright guys, one thing to remember, make sure you get all the tags up. We don't want to leave any trash. Alright, so we got to get our mulch put out here. We don't have a sidewalk. All we have is this little curb. But you'll have a broom or you'd have a blower. And you just want to go along. Don't blow real hard. Just go along. You know, just blow like that. Or just take your broom. In some areas it might be just as fast as just take your broom. Alright, then we're going to take a little bit of fertilizer with a cup. Now what you want to do is just sprinkle it over. We don't want to put too much, but just start in the middle.